Hey, I'm Mike. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to score a Wondershare Filmora discount or coupon code, step by step. Plus, I'll break down Filmora's pricing to help you choose the perfect plan for your needs. If you're struggling with how to figure out which Filmora subscription to buy, and you're worried about overpaying or getting the wrong features, this video will walk you through exactly what you need to do so you can confidently pick the right plan and save the most money. These discounts are changing all the time, so you're going to want to act fast. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do when choosing your Filmora plan is to decide if you need assets for multiple platforms or just the basics. Let's look at the Filmora for Multi-Platform plan. This is their ultimate version with advanced features and AI tools that work across all your devices, desktop and mobile. For just $34.99 for a full year, which is 31% off the regular price, you get 1,000 Filmora AI credits every month, 10 gigabytes of cloud storage, continuous version upgrades, and over 100 advanced video editing features. This plan is perfect for creators who already have their own stock footage and music and want a powerful editor that syncs across all their devices without a huge monthly cost. Now that you know what the multi-platform plan offers, it's time for step 2. Consider the all-in-one bundle, the Filmora Video Editor plus Creative Assets plan. This is their most popular option for a reason, and it's a massive 60% off right now. For just $8.33 a month billed annually, you get everything in the first plan, plus a huge library of premium stock footage, music, and more. They also double your AI credits to $2,000 a month and give you a massive 100 gigabytes of cloud storage. This is the plan for serious creators who want to speed up their workflow with unlimited creative assets and Filmora's most powerful AI tools, like AI image to video. And once you've decided between a subscription, it's time for step 3. Consider the Perpetual plan. If you are someone who absolutely hates monthly or yearly subscriptions, Filmora has an option for you. The Perpetual plan is a one-time payment of $49.99, which is 39% off. This gives you lifetime access to the current version of Filmora 14 with most of its features like 4K export and creative assets. Just be aware, this plan includes a set amount of 1,000 AI credits total, not monthly, and is only for the specific version you buy. This is the ideal choice if you want to pay once and own the software forever without worrying about recurring bills. There you have it. In just a few steps, you can choose the Filmora plan that best fits your creative needs and your budget. These special discount offers won't last forever, so you need to act now. If you don't already have Filmora, there's a link in the description to get the best deal available today and lock in your discount. Which plan are you going to choose? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.